everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyasha from Crackzad, and this is day 3 of MBA before MBA, where we are going to talk about the most important document for the next 2 years, that is your resume. In B schools, you don't just make a CV, you follow a master format. Top colleges have a very strict black and white one page template, and अगर आपने fancy colors use किए या अपनी photo लगाई ना, then it's an immediate rejection. Why? Because we need to pass the ATS, the applicant tracking system, and more importantly, something called as the 6-second recruiter scan. So, have you ever thought why creative resumes fail? Because look at this sample I'm sharing today. Notice how clean it is. No headshots, no progress bars for skills, no bright colors. In a corporate setup, creative resumes are a disaster for the ATS and they can't be read by the software. So, therefore, we stick to the gold standard. टाइम्स न्यू रोमन या एरियल में 10 से 12 फॉन्ट के बीच में you have to use clear sections for your academics, work-ex and achievements. And this sample does this perfectly with clear tables for academic records as well. Second section पे आते हैं, the star method, before versus after. Now let's look at the content. Most of you write responsibilities. In MBA, we write impact. We use the star method where S stands for situation, T for task, A for action, and R for result. Look at this point in our sample. Generated sales of 5 lakhs and expanded the student base by 15%. ये अच्छा है, पर इसको MBA स्टाइल कैसे बनाएं और बेहतर कैसे बनाएं? Instead of just saying generated sales, we start with something called as a power verb, like spearheaded a sales strategy that generated 5 lakh plus in the revenue, achieving a 15% growth in customer acquisition within 5 months. देखा आपने? Always quantify your results. Numbers are the language of business. The third part is verbs of power. So in this sample, the student uses great verbs like formulated, executed, and collaborated. But I want you people to get better. If you have ever led a team, then use the power verb orchestrated. If you have ever saved money, then use the term optimized. In our sample only, if you see under the Cygnus marketing, the student says delivered training and oversight to a team of 24. Well, in an MBA resume, we would say mentored and managed a cross-functional team of 24 to consistently hit that 100% of monthly targets. See the difference? It sounds more authoritative, right? Number 4 is the spikes and the extracurriculars. So, what if you are a fresher? Then you can still highlight your spikes. Look at this student's extracurricular segment. He is a winner of multiple presentation competitions and an article writing winner. This shows that they have the communication skills and the competitive spirit, and they don't just say that I like painting. They say that we are winner of XYZ competition. So even your social work over here can matter. Like this student was an SM domain head for an NGO. So this actually proves that leadership, even without a corporate salary, is important. The goal of this day zero resume is to have your 80% of work done before you even reach the campus. जब बाकी बच्चे फॉर्मेट समझ रहे होंगे तब आप नेटवर्किंग कर रहे होंगे. I have put this good sample link in the description, and if this has helped you understand why this one page is enough for your MBA resume, then like, share and subscribe. And yep, tomorrow we are going to do something more interesting since it's day 4 of MBA before MBA. So subscribe so that you don't miss it at all. See you then tomorrow everyone. Till then, take care and comments में मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा if there is anything I can further help you with. Till then, bye bye, take care and see you in the next one.